Watch out! Grandma! Grandma! What the hell? How dare you! Where's Grandma? Well guys, today we're playing I Am Cat, and this game just had an update. So the hell? Is that a freaking horse mask? Can I put this on Grandma? I can put this horse mask on Grandma. Oh my god, I am horse? It's not I Am Cat, guys, it's I Am Horse. It's always like, no, I dropped it. Oh my god, did I just collide? Oh my god, Granny has dentures. Haha, no teeth. Shut up. Ugh. Human teeth. Look at that. Does Granny wake up? Granny.
Goodness, you're getting far from me.
Some voice acting is fire. Horse. Let's hold that. Granny, look. Got some food. Because you won't feed me. Granny. Oh, we're Jenga. Play Jenga. No. Jenga time was going good. Got points already. Save that for later. Let's see. Grandma is using new and improved ways of getting me away from her secrets. I know what this is. This is a... I know what this is. Press the wrong button. Oh wow. I can't remember the password, but I know it's over here. No! No, I didn't do anything.
You'll be far too for me.
Zero. Right. 0, 4, 2, 6. You laugh like a witch. I did it. Oh my god, I can make her bold. It's just... Oh my god, I got a thing.
You'll get far from me.
You'll get far from me. Shut up. Hey Grandma, isn't this new wallpaper? Ha! All over the new wallpaper. Grandma. Oh my god. Did I do that? Nope. Undo. Undo. back here. Yes! Did I do it? No.